Here you go, guys. The challenge starts right meow. Let me put this back over here. And man, I hope I can hear it. Can you be able to hear it? I don't know. I'm gonna put it back in here. If I cannot hear it, then oh well, I'll check on it later. But anyways, I am Bullseye, and thank you for coming back to another episode of Bullseye TV. Today's video is gonna be a little different. We are doing the 10-minute motovlogger challenge, and what does that mean? Ramming speed. Woo! That's not what it means. What it means, oh, there you go. I missed that gear, Jesus. And now I cannot even edit that. That's gonna be on the video. God Almighty. What the 10-minute challenge means that I'm not gonna edit the video. No cuts, nothing fancy. Just me talking to you guys. That's all it is. Now I wasn't gonna do it because I'm like, come on, man. My accent really sucks and I stutter a lot because of it, so I was like, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I edit my videos a lot because of my accent. Sometimes I cannot even understand what I'm saying. But I saw my man all the way from San Diego, California, my man Ricky Bobby Moto do it. So I was like, man, that's pretty cool. Like, I think I'm gonna try it. And then just a couple of hours ago, I've actually watched the world famous whiskey chaser do a 10-minute video challenge. And I was like, Jesus, now I feel like I want to do one now. You know, so I'm going to go ahead and jump on the bandwagon and do one myself. Now, 10 minutes, I live in a very small town right here in North Texas. And in 10 minutes, I'm probably gonna cross this town 3 or 4 times, because I mean it's a pretty small town, man. But shit, there. But I want to have a topic. I want to have something to talk about. Now, I'm a pretty boring person now. Well, always been. But I'd like to talk a lot. I like to talk shit. I like to have a good time. And I want to tell you a little story. Something that I did as a prospect. Because yes, I used to be in a motorcycle club. And I'm not going to mention the club name. I'm not going to mention names of who was in there or what. But if you can go back and watch some of my old videos, you can probably figure out what club I was in. And so, you know, I'm not hiding it. I just don't want to talk about it on this video. Okay? But I do want to say, I was a prospect one time, and back years ago, when I started prospecting for the club, it was a cold Friday night, and Fridays we always hold our weekly back nights. So I show up late as always. I get my ass shit up for being late. What I gotta do for the night, you know, tend the bar. They usually tend to the bar, serve drinks, do whatever they need me to do, clean up, stuff like that. But I guess because it was a special night, it was cold, and not a lot of people were gonna show up, they wanted me to do something different. And what is that different? Well, take a long ass ride somewhere. So I come in. Shit, I gotta turn left right here. Well, I guess I'm turning left. Never mind. I come in, and my sponsor, or my daddy, that's we didn't call him a sponsor, we call him daddies. My daddy says, "Come here, Bullseye." I said, "Yes, sir." He says, "I got a task for you." I said, "Okay, tell me what you need." He says, "I want you to ride over to the Windstar Casino." Now the Windstar Casino is in Oklahoma, so it's a whole different state, but it's not far from Texas. It's right there at the border. But I live 2 hours from the Windstar Casino, and we were about 2 hours from the clubhouse. So he says, "I want you to go to the Windstar Casino, and I want you to get me a poker chip for every member that is here tonight." I said, "Okay, no problem, man. I'll do that." Because to be honest, I would much rather be on a motorcycle than be serving drinks. you know, even if it's cold. So I take off. I get there, you know, freezing my ass off, and I go in there and get the chips. Now I'm sitting around just chilling, trying to stay warm, having a cup of coffee right at the bar, you know, at the casino, drinking coffee. And I'm thinking, one of the things that they always told me is be smart, and there's always going to be loopholes to what you're supposed to do. There's always going to be stuff like, you know, stuff that you can get away with. Well, my task was go to the casino and get poker chips for everybody. They never said, Jesus, dude, god damn, why they gotta be loud? They never said, don't go in the casino, don't go in there and have a good time. So, guess what I did? I went in there, I had a few $100 in my pocket, went gambling. I think I went in there with like $200, came out of there with 600. And I got back to the clubhouse around 3 or 4 in the morning. And yeah, there was still bikers there drinking, having a good time. And they're like, where you been? I said, man, I've been at the casino, gambling. Well, why the fuck were you over there? You were supposed to bring the coins. I said, you were supposed to bring the poker chips. I said, you never said I couldn't go gambling. Well, goddamn, Bullseye. Alright, so, you know, I do my thing. Go back behind the bar and, you know, do what I gotta do as a prospect. But what I do want to say, if you're a prospect, be smart. And I don't mean be a smart ass like me, but be smart. There's always gonna be loopholes, you know. Now just because I say that, don't get in trouble either. Don't come blame it on me that you get your ass chewed up or beat up or something. And I do want to say, I was in the club. I was a full patch member for years. And I would not recommend it for anybody. Being in that club is definitely not for everybody. It takes a lot from other things to be a good member of the club, to be a good brother. I enjoyed it a lot, and I'm not gonna lie, there's some things that I miss about it, you know, that I'm like, man, I wish I was still in the club. But then again, I really don't want to go back to a lifestyle. You know, it's just, like I said, it's not that it's not for me, it's just, I just don't want to do it for now anyways. I might go back later, but right now, I'm pretty happy where I am, just riding and having a good time. And, man, I gotta tell you, there's a lot of stuff that goes down, that happens being a part of that club. The brotherhood was there, there was brotherhood, there was love, you know, and they always say, a family comes first, family, work, and the club. But if you're in the right club, your club will become the family. Now, I was in the right club. That club was my family. Man, why the hell am I following this truck around? Let me see how much time I got left. Oh, I don't know. Stupid ass phone. 1 minute and 30 seconds. God almighty. I'm almost done. Well, let's go back to that. Being part of the club is not for everybody. You know, some people are not cut out for it, and that's fine. I mean, you know, you don't have to be in a club to be a badass, man. I will say this, and I will tell everybody, even as a prospect, you don't owe anybody shit. You got nothing to prove to anybody. Just do your job. Be a good brother. You're gonna make it. That simple. And then again, if it's not for you, then it's not for you. Don't be a part of it. Don't be a half-ass brother. Make sure all your shit is taken care of. You gotta take care of your family and take care of your kids, take care of your work. Because if you cannot take care of your personal life first, then you cannot take care of club business. You cannot be a good brother. You gotta have that handle. You know, there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of perks to being part of the club. There's a lot of downsides too. I enjoyed it. I don't know if I'm gonna go back. Not anytime soon, that's for sure. But anyways, man, I got a lot of prospect stories. I've done a lot of stuff with the prospect. I've done a lot of stuff as a full patch member, and I've seen a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff. Hey, my alarm's going off. It's 10 minutes. Well, I did it, I think. Boom, 10 minutes just went by real fast, baby. I am now fixing to head back to the house. I gotta do the usual stuff, take the kids to practice, all that stuff. Hey, there I am. Damn, I'm good looking. I'm just joking, guys. Anyways, thank you for coming back to the channel, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you go follow Goofy Bastard. Make sure you go follow, subscribe, and like all his videos. They're pretty good stuff. Make sure you go follow my man Ricky Bobber, and make sure you go follow the world famous Whiskey Chaser. That's right. All right. Ramming speed. Oh no, never mind. I can't do that here because I'll get pulled over. Cops are over here in this little town. They're pretty. They don't mess around. They don't fuck around. Then again, this is my town. I don't want to be fucking around in my town and get a, you know, get a bad reputation. Everybody knows I like to drive like a dumbass, which I do like to ride like a dumbass, but they don't need to know that. I don't need to be showing that here. You know, they always say, don't eat what you shit, or don't shit what you eat. So something like that. You guys know what I meant. Anyways, thank you for coming back, guys. Like the video, comment, consider subscribing. And one thing that I do want to say, let me know what you think of prospect stories. Let me know if you want to hear more about it, because I'm thinking about maybe starting like a little playlist, and maybe just go riding and just tell you about some of the stuff that I've seen, some of the stuff that I've done, been on the club. Maybe some people might not like it, you know, maybe some people will. Some people might find it interesting. If you want to join a club, a lot of the stuff that I've seen and a lot of the stuff that I've been through, it's gonna be pretty similar to, you know, the stuff that you could see that you could get yourself into. So thank you for coming to the channel, guys. Really appreciate it. Again, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Bullseye TV, and I will see you next time.